Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the inputs: raw marks, course credit or weight, and any conversion table your institution uses. Once done, convert letter grades to numeric points if needed, then normalize scores to a common scale, usually 0-100. Make sure to note which subjects carry higher weight. Treat them differently. Now create a simple spreadsheet with columns for subject, score, weight, and adjusted score, so you can compute weighted contributions without losing track. You now calculate weighted contributions. For each subject, multiply its normalized score by the decimal weight, for example, 85 times 0. 4. Next, add all those products to form the numerator. At the same time, sum the weights, that becomes the denominator. Once you have both, divide numerator by denominator to get the raw index mark. If your system uses grade points, perform the same math with points instead of percentages, then convert back if required. You finish by applying any institution-specific adjustments, scaling curves, caps on maximum contributions, or minimum thresholds. After adjustments, round the index mark per the official rule. Document the rounding step so it's reproducible. Then verify your result by recalculating or cross-checking with a sample calculation or official calculator if available. If numbers mismatch, recheck conversions and weight assignments. Often an incorrect weight or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.